Meaning of dialogue.
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 Dialogue. Dialogue refers to the conversation between two or more people, either in real life or in literature. It involves a back-and-forth exchange of ideas and opinions with the goal of reaching understanding or resolving a conflict. Dialogue is an important tool for communication and empathy building, as it enables individuals from different backgrounds or with different perspectives to engage in meaningful exchanges. Skilled writers and speakers use dialogue to convey character development, conflict resolution, and themes in their work. Overall, dialogue is a powerful means of fostering connection and facilitating communication across boundaries.